Hello. Good morning, afternoon, or evening. Welcome back to the channel once again. And if it's your first time here on the channel, my name is Gigo, and today we are back at Mr. Kwete's new site here in Chopoli. Right. So I think it's been a while since I promoted Mr. Kwete here on the channel. This is the first time in 2025, and I think my last video we talked about his new location, which is at com 25. This is the Accra Flower Road, and I think the site is just opposite the affordable housing. So we are at the junction, the Tripoli junction. I think it's a very familiar place for those that travels or uses that road. It is just by the roadside, close to the GN Bank. So as you can see, production has been going on for some time now, right? So we decided this time, it is time to put him on a channel so that they let us know, what they have been up to. So we'll have Mr. Kwete, talking to us. Today's episode, I wish I could come with a pricing of the materials, but things keeps changing. And sometimes what I've experienced is that people look at videos which is like 5 months ago, and when they call, they want to get that same price, right? So which sometimes, yeah, it's very difficult to deal with such clients. So please, if you are watching this video and you have your project around Chopoli, right, if it is close to the affordable house, Prampram, Ningo, going all the way to Adan Junction, we do delivery, and that comes from this side. If you are in Accra, Tema, come to 25, Afienya, Dowenya, Prampram, Ningo also, our first block factory, which is located in Dowenya, come 25, that does the delivery. We have to expand because the team is growing, right? And also, like I said, we have, lands around this place, and we know the development which is happening around Chopoli. So we decided to open a new branch there to ease the pressure, right? And also the delivering time and the transportation. So please, if you need Mr. Kwete's, or if you need any latest update on prices of materials, please, this is Mr. Kwete's number on your screen. You can call him directly to update you of any prices, right? I mean, we have cement, we have blocks, sand, stone. Mr. Kwete does all those deliveries. So you just get in, call him and have discussion with him. He will let you know the current prices of any, building material that you need.
Channel. This Mr. Keke as usual. Good evening to everyone. We are today we are Tripoli, close to just opposite the affordable housing, where we have located our new block factory there to serve the people around Tripoli, Agoto, Sagaleme, the Ningo community to Adan, all the way to Adan Junction. We've been going to Adan Junction, Ningo, and Yam, all the villages around. Anybody who's interested in our blog, as you know what we've been doing at Dowena, we have moved another branch to Tripoli so that we can get to our clients, supply them very quickly to respond to their supplies peak. I think now we are close to Osuwe. If you have any land at Agoto, Pachinodo, Osuwe, Shais, Toyumu, that areas we can supply. So as you know, the limited of supply on the channel, my number 0246. Now we have our cement here, we have cement here. We are yet to for, for sale, as you know. We do supply our stone and sand as well as the blocks supply. We rent board wood for decking. If you have a story, single story, there's no need for you buying a wood. You can rent the wood and then you make some savings, at least 40% savings on the total cost of wood that you use for your. So when you contact us about your building, about your project, we make it easy for you and for you to be able to know what is going on. We can give you videos, updates on how we go about your operations. As the same way we have land here that we sell. We deal in land. We have land at Chipoli here, Dawenya and Prampram. If you are interested, you call me with the land. People come and ask the price and they go. Please, we need serious people. And we give you the land. It's secured and protected. You don't have any problem. Nothing worries you anymore. All we do is to secure your land and start whatever you want to do. Whatever project you have, just call me. If you have a land around this area you want to do your fence wall, call me. We'll just go and then start the work for you. Have the boys too for the work. We have masons, we have engineers, architects, whatever you want about just contact me. We'll help you to match. People have their land at these areas, but they are not around. They are outside Ghana, and then they find it difficult reaching their plot and visiting their site. I can pay a visit to the site for you in case you can provide some transportation. I will do that. We video and then you get to know any update on what is going on at your site. So when you are in need of all this, just call me on 0246 page, then we can provide for you. This road is the end one. Going to a flower, that flower road, this is we are the main road. After the affordable, the bridge there, then you can see we are just at your right side when you are going to a flower or Adam. When coming from a flower to Tema, we are at your left, just opposite the GN Bank. You locate us, Mr. Kwete. We provide the pavement for people to move on. We work with as Jigo Production Group. We are group, so you can see our own is the first curve ventures. We have soul consult, all come together to make people's dream come true, make your dream reality for you. And not only we know the artist, you can without strong over here. Yeah, will be a before 10 years, one man provide now, but at the same time, our YouTube channel for 2 years. Man, dear, a blogger who attached. Sije ni market amuku kabata akuna na ake. Mo fe mo ko pin ba ni fe twasin. Be ni tí mo ko mi enu no wo cha. Kuna na ke blog eye wale ojugba ngbo ni sani eyi. Ni chon no ja ke blog factory ke ko ba chupuli. Ye bi egbe wo bo ni Otawo blogs ní òkè wàá tún ní túmọ̀ bó ẹ chẹ́ ni yẹ 0246246938 wàá provide one bó kọ́ ṣìpọ̀n yẹ àgọ̀tọ̀ chopoli anywhere ní ngó ṣìpọ̀n náà ẹnu kẹ pampram kọ́ chẹ́ wọ̀ bá ba àfihàn àṣàmà wọ̀ yà àfin tẹ́mà wọ̀ bá ìwọ kẹ́ òchẹ́ mi ni wọ̀ bá provide ní wọ̀ hàn bò ìfà ní ní cha ọ̀kú ní wọ́n ní wọ̀ kẹ̀ ní team up ní wọ̀ tún ní wọ̀ kẹ̀ wọ̀ bẹ ní wọ̀ gbẹ̀yìn àwọn ohun ẹ̀wọ̀n wọ̀ wà mí ó ní yẹn mẹ́ni akẹ́ṣìká àmì màṣẹ́ akẹ́ṣìká yẹn brother ìṣká auntie iska ikeze iska mene iska alaka ni bi isafu ke oke one cd ba wa na ke one cd le ke ba wa ke tu mo ake ha mo ni ati mo bo wa na le si fa na ke ate yo sha ye wo estimate fe mo ni na ti fi o ni ha o but we will surely respond to you oni wo fe no to ni ba wa ka force ni o ba na ni o yo ya ijo ke to a fe ni bi ko me ni at the end of the day ke ni e che ko ngbe shi bi anani àmú mi tó ní ẹmọ ṣé ó náà lè akẹ ṣe káàkẹ òkè project yẹn fídíò owó ẹkọ bá fi ẹ àtàló náà jù kó ló fi lọ dùgbà ló náà ṣíkà ẹsẹ náà èrò àdán ni wájú ọmọ fi hàn.
Atifo, mcheche mu biara. Mcheche obiara atifo. Mr. Jonathan Blogbad bakuna enini ya wachokoli. After washing busy na ya waonu. Kuta ya huko chokoli. Una dawa no kakaka. Bia wa Blogbad ni smart wa ya piles wa bia wa blog ni payment ni smart ni. Ya pa bia wa wa sabe kan. Wada se. Bia kama. Bia o sashin wa bia ya kwa. Ebe supply kama. Won't trash anini piles ni oh kama o de so sa se sa wo hani impa kura obahu wada se nini short one ni we ne bo nya de no ba o sa ka bibia so na omo boss ni load no we tite no we ne driver wada se aha we say second driver ni nti omo load this month no Mr. Jonathan ni block factory ni kama o ba bibia wa abubu ya so na atwa ayi da cinema ayi block factory for no bibia block no so aye din kama for 7 test ma bet ma test am wow this ni nyina ni block no na ya paka go a bebrebe no wow udi fi form a wow ni nyina ahondi wo mu kama udi sigu danya wo mbaka wow adi yi we de ya sabla ko ba bia wow bibia ya kama ti se wo ba ni bo so da fam boko ni bo no da fam boko we say solid edi ni bo nya de no ba dudo na obanya bia no da de na o san baka ni na e de kasin na wa no na egu wa no block factory o ma mo twa mo so na e wa ha no bibia wo ti anytime bia wa ba bia ya wa ha supply dudo na obanya bia o san baka ati bo ni na ni mana ya pagi no we holo 5 holo e o 6 holo o 6 solid ena gua 5 solid ena gua kama ni na edin yi edin pa edin te de open na we anu nya se wankasa o top block we anu nya se wankasa o top block o eni ni o de fiwa o fa wa de boko eni ni masa operator tin na sisu atwa no de bia o ginam pressure wa nya nya sankitwa ya wo chopoli after washing basin na the horn ma ti bibia ya kama wa ti juda na obanya bia dade na osambeka bia wa ha Mr. Jonathan ya wo chopuli do fati ba kono nu one na sai na ebie ye bibia wa ha basement ya o pe se mtu foundation ma wa o pe se anti dane ma wa asase bibia wa asase juda na obanya bia bi o chopuli bi o nungu bi o prampram ba bia asase no bi wo ti eno na eguso eh Waka sini nyinaa na ɛwɔ hɔ no wei sisi wolo na solid ano fɛfɛɛfɛ kama wei six solid 5 solid ɛna egu a biribiara kama ododo na ɔbɛ bia ɔba ɛna egu hɔ no bebrebe no osan bɛka wata seɛ biribiara wɔ ha asase no so lanka da asɛm bia ne ho ba biribiara wɔsɛ si dan mu wɔ osan bɛka wɔba asase no kɔn so a osan wɔpɛ first one sɛ ɛbɛtwa first one no ma wɔn no so ɛbɛtwa ne kama neat ama wo biribiara wo ne problem biara yes wata seɛ biribiara yɛ kama wata seɛ ɛne nie biribiara ɔwɔ payment ɛne so ɛne nie wowie wo dan no a blɔk no wobɛtumi de asan ho wata seɛ afie biara nkɔ wo fie wɔ biribiara wode tɔ fam a wofa no kama ɛne nie tiles yɛwɔ bi a wɔbɛto yɛwɔ bi a wɔmotwa ne biara ɛwɔ ha nti woba dan ho nneɛma nyina ɛdeɛ biribiara ɔsan bɛka wɔ ha ayɔrɔs biribiara ɛne nie Mr. Kote block factory nti ndamase nti deɛ kakra na ɛnya ɛka kyerɛ mo no ano no nti wopɛ yɛ ɔkyerɛ kwan a yɛwɔ bi wɔ do wonya after parking akyi wokɔ a wonya bi wɔ hɔ ana topoli after washing basin na wota washing basin na wosan right yɛwɔ hɔ nom a nti biribiara wɔ hɔ kama deɛ wobɛnya biara deɛ wopɛ biara wɔ woba a wosan bɛka kama wo ne haw biara daade na wosan bɛka nti wodamase ndeɛ mede ho ase a